How did they fight? How did they fight?
They're fighting.
Did they have something on their feet? What?
Something.
What was it? Huh? Another what?
No.
Like a knife? Like go like this? Huh?
They got something right here, the blood, right?
Uh-huh.
Off, right?
Uh-huh. Yeah. Look, Jake. Look here, me.
He said yes.
Jake, look.
He saw it. He saw it too. He said yes.
Jake. Jason. Alright, don't climb there. I'll throw you in the water. Hey, Betcha. Hey, Betcha. Betcha. Annie. Annie.
Filipino pangit.
Annie, put your hand down. Look here. Ooh, what's in your mouth? Ooh, what's that? Ooh, what's in your mouth?
Hindi pustiso yung pinajacket ko.
Huh?
Hindi ganito. Hindi temporary. Ano pa rin dito mo? Temporary lang yun. Okay. Papalitan ko. Hindi napansin si Dina.
Hi, Marisa. Hi, Ma.
Hindi, napansin ko nga yan kanina.
Hi, Marisa.
Nabali yung ipin niya. Nabali yung ipin ko. Lalagyan ng jacket.
Temporary jacket.
Hindi, isa lang. Kasi dugtungan niya, di ba ganyan? Nakadugtong sa isa. Pinakaisan na yun. Nabali.
Josie.
Bali ano? Nabali gano'n.
Josie, why your face is like that?
Hindi na ko napansin ipin mo eh. Medyo bumili ng konti. Kaya nilagyan niya ng temporary. Ikaw pwede ba? Ayan, ganyan ang mga pinapajacket. Ganyan yung akin kasi ginawa nila dyan. Ganito, nabali, di ba? Ngayon, nakadugtong yan, di ba dapat dugtong yan? Nabali yung ganyan ko. Hindi na pwede pasta. Ay! Dapat jacket.
Yan.
Ay, ano yung kinuha? Si RJ? Yun? Oo, ganyan din akin. Ito, isa. Pwede pa jacket yan. Mga ganyan. Pustiso. Pustiso yan. Ay, yung pag pustiso lang yung pwede jacket. Hindi nga.
Mainit.
Magkano ba sa mga? Sa amin, medicine. Magkano ba ang Maynila? 150.
Labas mo na kayo mainit.
Kasi 300 talaga dyan.
Ayaw niya na.
Chilito. Hey, Chilito, what's that?
Pag sila kampo. Salita na naman ang gano'n.
Marisa. Hi. Marisa.
Nakaka-experience yata. Yeah. 7-1. Wala, mataas ako sa'yo. Eh ako, naka-experience.
Where's all the kids?
Eh kung hindi ako nagpapurita kayo, hindi mo respect ang akin. Oh, si Andrew bumabawi.
Push the button. Dad's turn.
Ilan? 8.
Dad, what are you doing? Charito. Charito. How many times did you go? Go. Come on. Put your shoes on, Jake. Malaki.
Certificate ang... Ito, Bet. Bet, tumira ka na bawal?
Ask Tita to help you out there.
Tumira ka na, di ba?
Thank you. There's the other one. Get it. Sarap pa lang ano?
Okay, tira ka ulit. Isa.
Ani.
Sabi ko kanina, dadalhin ba to? Sabi niya, hindi pa pasok sa picture. Biyan, ayaw.
Okay, go. Ito.
Okay, naku. Yan nyo.
Pa-beauty pa yan, oh. Voices eh.
We're gonna drop it.
Way up.
And you see your eye in there?
Yeah.
Now when you push the button one time.
I'll push it now.
That way, you see the red light on in there? Okay, now push it again.
Push it again. Push it. I'll try this.
Wala man nangyayari. Yan naman.
Dapat may direct. Anong lasa? Ang sama, no? Lemon? Pinagalo. Ano pinagalo?
Hindi, kaya ni Mila ko yun. Pinati lang po.
Ba't ka pumayag?
Iiwan naman ako.
Saan ba gagamitin mo sa dileme? Light yan?
Man?
May automatic light?
Oh. Dito may red button.
Ah.
Ha?
That's not my side, this is my side. Dahil doon ko lang kayo. Si John Jones pala yung ngiti.
Navy, nakakatawa. Ngayon lang nakakatawa ng hapon.
Ano?
Mga hapon, tingnan natin mga itsura ng mga hapon na Navy.
My Danny. Monster. Monster.
Beth! Smile! Smile, here's a close up. Smile.
All white, all white.
Still recording when you put it down?
Now, now. Now. Susan.
Wait niya, ano yung nakaslas?
Susan.
Nakaslas? Ano sa kabila?
Only, mostly Born Yakuza.
I didn't get it. I didn't get it. I didn't get
Don't
it.
worry.
Do it again.
It's funny.
Hey, Kenneth, do it again. The shaking of the hands. I didn't get it.
It's funny. There you go.
There he is.
There you go.
Wow.
First time is that.
Huh? I don't know. First time here? First time Philippines? You come Philippines before? Before? Last time, last year, first time? First time Philippines? How many years on the ship? How many years stationed the ship? Since 1988, 1987, 1986. Where? When? How many years on ship? Sure. Yeah, how many years? Yeah, no, no, understand?
Jake.
Hi, mother. Hi, mother.
Jake. Close up, close up.
Stop na yan eh.
Hindi. Going to.
Stop.
Profile mo. Ano ba profile mo? Jojo. Shy ka pala, no? Shy type.
Sino?
Billy. Oh, masyado malapit.
Sila yung yan. Hindi na bago magta ito ah.
Bakit?
Ay, nagsasalita ito siya. Patawag ng tao si Macdo.
Bakit?
Malay para. Hindi mo sabi niyo mo. No.
Maybe 60, 70, like that. So how many officer? You know officer? Officer? How many officers?
한국가 원준인가?
Ayan. Yep, bye-bye.